Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Paul. Today we'll help you with one of the most important topics in English, how to introduce yourself.
That's right. Whether you're meeting new friends, joining a class, or starting a job, a good introduction makes a strong first impression.
Charlie, when I first learned English, I was scared to introduce myself.
Really, Paul? But you speak so well now.
Thanks. But back then, I would say, "Hi, I am um," and then forget my own name.
Oh, that happens to many beginners. Speaking a new language can feel scary.
Yes, but remember, everyone starts somewhere. Mistakes mean you're learning.
Exactly. And today, we'll show you how to introduce yourself clearly and confidently. Okay, friends, let's learn step by step.
Step 1, say hello. You could say hi or hello.
Step 2, say your name. For example, I'm Charlie, or my name is Charlie.
Step 3, say where you're from. I'm from Canada, or I live in London.
Step 4, talk about what you do. I'm a student, or I'm an English learner.
Step 5, add something friendly. I like reading, or I love traveling.
Let's try a full example. Hi, I'm Charlie. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher, and I love helping people learn English.
Nice. Here's mine. Hello. I'm Paul. I'm from the Canada. I'm a trainer, and I enjoy meeting new people.
Perfect. Simple, natural, and full of confidence.
Friends, remember, your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be you.
That's true. When you speak from your heart, people listen with kindness.
So introduce yourself proudly. Every time you speak, you grow stronger.
Believe in yourself, practice daily, and soon English will feel easy. See you next time on Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. And please subscribe my channel for Learn English.